Dear students, we are discussing the nomenclature of alkanes. We have studied 4 rules already. Now let us discuss the 5th rule, that when two substituents, now the case is two substituents are present on the same carbon. Two substituents, same carbon. Now how will you name? For example, here I have an example. Here we have an ethyl group, and here we have a methyl group. Now again locate the chain. This will be the longest chain. The counting will be from the shortest hand. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be a hexane. How will you name it? Again, keep in mind, you have to keep in mind the alphabetical order. So this will be 3-ethyl, as E comes before M. So this will be 3-ethyl, 3-methyl hexane. It means that when two substituents are present on the same carbon atom, you will use that number twice. It will not be like 3-ethyl methyl. It will be 3-ethyl, 3-methyl hexane. Now the rule number 6. Rule number 6 says that when two or more substituents are present on the carbon atoms and they are identical, you will indicate this by the use of the prefixes di, tri, tetra and so on. Then make sure that each and every substituent has a number. Commas are used to separate the numbers from each other. For example, let us take a very simple example. Organic chemistry is a matter of practice. If you practice it more and more, it will become more and more convenient. This is not at all difficult. Now this is butane, and you can count it from any side, 4. Now two identical groups, methyl groups, are present on carbon number 2 and 3. So it will be 2, 3. Since we have 2, so it will be dimethyl butane. Similarly, there is another example. Now there are 4 methyl groups on 2 carbon atoms. Again name it. It will be 2, 2, 3, 3. It means 2 methyl groups on carbon number 2 and 2 methyl groups on carbon number 3. So they will all together become 4. It will be tetra methyl butane. So application of these 6 rules, they allow us to name most of the alkanes. Most of the alkanes are covered under the 6 rules that I have already told you. Now to other rules, they are required at certain cases. Now let us discuss them. The rule number 7. Now when two chains of equal length compete for selection as the parent chain. Now let's see, we have 2 chains, as we have seen in the first rule in case of hexane. 2 chains, they are competing for selection as a parent chain. You will choose the chain with the greatest number of substituents. It means that chain will be selected which will have the greatest number of substituents. For example, we have an example here. You can write it as CH3 as well. Sorry, CH. Please keep in mind the 4 valency of carbon atom. Now if we count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, both have the same number of carbon atoms. But if you take this as the parent chain, this will be one group and this will be two group. But if you take this as the parent chain, there will be 1 2 3 4 groups. So this will be our parent chain. It will be a heptane, and you will name it from here because here is the smallest link with the subjoints 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and it will be according to alphabetical order 2 3 5 2 3 5. They have methyl groups, so it will be trimethyl. Methyl will come before the propyl group because M comes before P. Methyl 4 propyl heptane. Now the rule number 8. When branching first occurs at equal distance from either end of the longest chain, choose the name that gives the lower number at the first point of the difference. For example, we will start counting from here because it is giving us the lower number at the first point. It will be 2 3, not 2 4. If you count from here, it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it will be 2 4 5. So 2 4 5 is not preferable. You will prefer 2 3 5. 2 3 5 trimethyl hexane. So preferable will be 2 3 5, not 2 4 5. So 2 4 5 is not acceptable. Rather you will use 2 3 5. So this is all about the rules for the nomenclature of alkanes. I hope they are clear to you. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I will answer the questions, and in the next video we will be discussing about the nomenclature of alkenes and alkynes. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much for your time. Allah Hafiz.